Good morning, second class. How are you all? I hope you are fine at your home. So, this is your sixth chapter from Social Study, Water. In this chapter, we will read about the use of water for many purpose and the main source of water. So, the children, do you know that water is very precious for us? Our earth is surrounded by water, and water area is more than land area, and beside that only the 4% water is drinkable. तो आपको पता है कि पानी हमारे लिए कितना कीमती होता है, क्योंकि पानी जो है हमारी अर्थ जो है चारों तरफ से क्या है, वाटर से ही घिरी हुई है, और जिसमें लैंड सरफेस कम है, वाटर एरिया जो है ज़्यादा है, लेकिन उसके बाद भी केवल 4% वाटर जो होता है वो ड्रिंकेबल होता है, जिसे हम क्या करते हैं, पीने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो नाउ लेट्स रीड द चैप्टर. वी नीड वाटर टू लिव. वी ड्रिंक वाटर. वी टेक बाथ विद वाटर. वी कुक आवर फूड विद वाटर. वी क्लीन यूटेंसिल्स एंड क्लोथ्स विद इट. वाटर इज रिक्वायर्ड टू क्लीन होम्स. Water is required by plants to grow. Without water, plants will die. Animals and birds also need water to live. The main source of water is rain. So, the water is, we use the water for the many purpose like cleaning utensils, clothes, and water is required to clean homes, and the plants also need water. Animals and birds also need water. If without water the plants could die. So we use the water for the many purpose. And what is the main source of water? The main source of water is rain. Rain water gets collected in ponds, lakes and river. Rain water जो होता है वो कहाँ पे collect होता है? Ponds और lakes and rivers में. We get water from hand pumps, taps, river and wells. And how do we get water at our home? We get water from hand pumps, taps, river and wells. Water is purified before use. तो water को क्या करा जाता है? Purify किया जाता है before use. Sometimes the water is not fit for drinking. We must boil and filter such water before drinking. It kills the harmful bacteria in the water. So some area have scarcity of water. In the some area there is a very less water, just like in desert area. Desert areas जो होते हैं वहाँ पर water क्या होता है, बहुत scarcity होता है. It means less of water. And water causes floods in some area. और कई जगह कई areas में क्या होता है, water जो होता है floods का कारण हो जाता है. यानी कि floods यानी बाढ़ आना. यानी कि आजकल आप जैसे न्यूज़ में देख ही रहे होंगे कि जगह जगह पर क्या हो रही हैं, वाटर फ्लोड्स हो रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा बाढ़ आ रही हैं. बाढ़ में क्या होता है, सम टाइम आपके घर, एनिमल्स, ये सब भी क्या हो जाते हैं, बह जाते हैं. यानी इतना पानी हो जाता है कि ये सब चीज़ें हो जाती हैं, बह जाती हैं. सो वाटर इज़ वेरी प्रीशियस, सो वी शुड कंजर्व. तो वाटर क्या है, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रीशियस है. जस्ट लाइक अदर एक्सपेंसिव थिंग, वाटर इज़ ऑल्सो प्रीशियस एंड वी शुड कंजर्व. और हमें वाटर को क्या करना चाहिए, कंजर्व करना चाहिए. Because water is an essential need of us, and without water we cannot imagine the life. So water is also very precious and we should conserve it. Then how can you conserve the water? Just suppose when the heavy rain falls, you can collect this water in buckets and tubs, and after that you can use this water for cleaning home, for washing clothes, for washing utensils. So in this way you can conserve the water and you can use it. So it is a good way to conserve the water. And because water, we must to save water, because water is very precious for us. So the children, the chapter is over here. Now you have to do some exercise. These are multiple choice question. Let's have a look. Boiling water. Boiling of water kills insect, animals, bacteria. None of these. The right answer is C, bacteria. Rainwater gets collected in taps, hand pumps, tanks और river. रेन वाटर कहाँ पे कलेक्ट होता है, रिवर्स में कलेक्ट होता है. What is the main source of water? Rain, mountain, clouds and floats. Rain. Rain is the main source of water. Now, these are fill in the blanks. We all need water for live. The main source of water is rain. Plants will die without water. We must filter water before drinking. And these match of the following. This is hand pump. This is boiling water. This is water for bathing, and this is drinking water. So the children, this work you have to do in your book, and if you don't have book, you will do this work in your notebook. The next work we will do in the next class. Till then, bye, take care.